Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do drafting of Kalidar kurta for men. For that you will require the basic bodice block. Link of this tutorial is in description box. Must check from there. And now I am going to do drafting for Kalidar kurta. This is front of my basic bodice block. First of all, you have to mark the center point of your across shoulder. So this is center of my across shoulder and mark a straight line. I have marked the straight line, and from this line you have to fold your pattern. So now after folding the pattern, you have to trace your pattern on another brown sheet, leaving the distance of 2 inches on neckline side. As I have traced my pattern on brown sheet, and now I will make the cullis. You have to extend your length, as this is my bodice block which is till my hip line. Now you have to extend the length according to your requirement. From this highest point, measure the length. My requirement length is 40 inches and mark a straight line over there. After extending the length, this is my bottom line which is my hemline, and now I will extend the width of this block to make the culli. So now I will extend 2 inch on one side and 2 inch on second side. You have to join these points with your waistline. This is first panel of front side. As after cutting, it will look like this. Now I will draft second panel of front side. As we have traced this side, and now we will trace this side. So after tracing the pattern, now I will cut the third panel from this second panel. This is my armhole point. You have to mark 2 inches down, and from this point you have to mark 2 to 2.5. You can mark 2 or you can mark 2.5 inches inside of this pattern. Now make a straight line over there till the bottom of your block. As I have marked the straight line, now I will cut this piece, because this is my second panel and this is my third panel. So I have cut the third panel. Now after cutting the third panel, you have to attach the extra paper on the second panel, because we have to extend the width of this. You have to mark the length from your highest point, same as the length of your first panel. Both the side you have to extend 2 inches. So after extending the length, I have joined the extended point with the waistline, and it will form like this after extension. Now I will cut the second panel. This is second panel of my front side. As this is the extension which is 2 inches on both the side, and from here I have cut the third panel. Now I will do the extension on third panel, and now this is my third panel. Now you have to attach the extra brown paper on both the side for extension from this waistline till the length that you have extended. I have attached this third panel on the brown sheet, and now I will extend. Now from the bottom you have to extend 2 inches on both the side, and then join that 2 inch with the waistline. So now after cutting, this is my third panel. So this is front of my Kalidar kurta. There are 3 panels on front, and I have done the extension of 2 inches on both the side. You can do more extension according to your requirement, and do the same for the back side of your Kalidar kurta. Hope you all have understood this tutorial. like, share and subscribe this channel for further videos. Thank you.